Today I've got a mental health break Qi Gong routine for you. Welcome to Happy Qi, Happy Me. My name is Nicole. So when we've got a lot going on in our daily lives, Qi Gong can often help us to come into the present moment, which is what we have right here, right now. So let's do that. We'll bring our hands, one on our belly, one on our chest, and we'll do wave breathing. So breathing into our belly, into our ribs and chest, and breathing out, chest, ribs and belly. Breathing in, belly, ribs and chest, out, chest, ribs and belly. So we're creating a wave-like motion. I'll show you from the side and we'll do a few more. Breathing in and out. And in. And out. So what we're doing here is we're signaling our nervous system that it's okay, we are safe, and we can relax. Breathing in and out. And one last one. In, belly, ribs and chest. And out, chest, ribs and belly. And release. Next we will let go all that we're holding on to or that is no longer serving us. So we're making a fist and we're throwing everything to the earth. So where it gets composted and the energy just keeps churning. So and I'm sighing out here. And I'll show you from the side. One more. And just sighing out. Just notice how you feel. Hopefully you're starting to feel a little bit lighter. Next we will do a move that is good to increase our protective energy so that we don't take on all the stuff that is going on around us. So we'll cross our arms, bring them up, out and down. Just building up our protective energy. Slowing that down a bit. And we'll do one last one. And we'll finish off with belly breathing. So coming back to our breath the same way that we started. So just taking a few deep breaths. Really allowing your belly to expand out and move back towards the spine as you're breathing. And you can relax into your feet and your legs and start swaying like bamboo in the wind. Taking the deepest breath we've taken all day, so breathing in and breathing out, releasing our hands and relax. Please feel free to share this video with your friends and family, and also let me know in the comments below how this routine made you feel. I will see you next time. Bye!